So that's our Rosie the Riveter hairstyle with our red bandana, and I did the makeup look for you guys. If you have any other tutorials you'd like me to go ahead and do for you, just leave on the comments below of the video. Alright, so a couple of things you're going to need for this tutorial is going to be your flat iron, some bobby pins, ones that match your hair color, a heat tamer spray, a hairspray, some modeling putty, a brush to comb out your hair, a rat tail comb, some clips to go ahead and hold your hair up, and of course, not last but not least, your red bandana. So what I'm going to go ahead and first do is go ahead and comb out my hair. Now this is just hair that's been washed. I washed my hair late last night. I haven't done anything to it. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to part your crown area. What we're going to do with this area here is we're just going to go ahead, we're going to section it off and we're going to curl it just to make sure that the hair is easier to shape. I'm going to use a clip to go ahead and clip that away. And then with the rest of the hair, I'm going to go ahead and take the style putty and get it open. And we're just going to take a little bit rub it together with your fingertips. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in on the sides just to smooth out that hair and make it a little bit more manageable and underneath. I'm going to go ahead and again just brush that through. And being that this part of the hair is not really going to be seen, what we're going to do is just create a French twist. Turn around so that you guys can see. Once you've got your twist, you can go ahead and take your bobby pins and stick that into place. I'm just going to use a couple of bobby pins to do that because, like I said, you're not going to see it in the hairstyle. Now, I'm going to take heat tamer spray, spray the hair, especially the roots, and brush that through and let it dry. While I'm brushing it through, and then we're just going to take sections. You can be pretty large sections, it really doesn't matter. We're just going to curl them. Pull that out. And I think I want it to go, I'm going to curl it that way. And then take another section. And it doesn't have to be neat, like I said, you're just combing the sections and curling it so that when you do the roll on top of your head, you don't have straight ends that are just going to poke out. And the easiest way to curl, turn it to a full 180 degrees and just pull it straight through, and it'll give you a nice curl. Take this last piece, split it into two. Make sure all the tangles are out. Get those roots. turn the hair and pull all the way through. Okay, so now that we have all the hair curled, we're going to go ahead, take the hair up, brush it through, and we're just going to make a big barrel curl. And just start to roll. And then we're going to take it and pin it in the back. Go ahead and pin it in the inside until you feel it's secure. And just pin the hairs inside of the roll so you don't see the bobby pins. Just going to add another one to the back. And if you want, you can take some hairspray and just lightly spray it with your fingers and just get any types of flyaways. Cleaned up. Then we're going to take our red bandana and you're going to take the tip of it and bring it down like that so you have a nice flat edge. And we're going to take it in the back of the head and you're going to bring this tip up first, up to the head, bring this side, the other side, and take it in, tie it, and then I'm just going to pin it on the side here. And then we're going to take these sections and fold them in. And you can go ahead and, after you fold them, pin them in as well. And do the same thing. Fold it in, bring it up. So make sure that it's flat. Bobby pin and pin it down. It doesn't want to pin. I'm also going to take a couple and go right behind the ear and just pin that to the back of the head as well. And pin however many pins you want to go ahead, just to make sure that you feel secure. It feels pretty good. A little bit tighter here. Just make sure that looks good. And there we go. That's our look. So that's our Rosie the Riveter hairstyle with our red bandana. And I did the makeup look for you guys. If you have any other tutorials you'd like me to go ahead and do for you, just leave on the comments below of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.